Hi, you have to excuse the noise. They are mowing the lawn and I can do nothing about it. And yeah, of course they're gonna mow it just as I start filming. Anyway, I'm in the middle of trying to sort through Evie's stuff so I can clear her room so that we can move Dylan's stuff into Evie's room so the carpet can be done. So anyway, just a quick break from all of that draining stuff because I got my subscription pack from the Mad Scrapper. It's called the Scrapaholics monthly kit, and I get the monthly add-on as well, and that is only £11 for both, which I think is fantastic. I will put a link to their shop below. Okay, sorry, I'm still stuck to my bed as I still don't have a table. I think Monday. But yeah, I should think Monday. So we've got so it is, I presume, like summer tropical vibes for the theme. Oh yeah, so we've got this embellishment, these dreams of faraway places and daring adventures. Be curious. Could have done with that for my Alice theme. And a beautiful peacock. I love that. That's fantastic. I mean, these are supposed to be so you can make cards and things, I think. But I think that they would work well crafting, like for pen pals or in journals as well. Focus on the good. We've got some little sunglasses. Sunglasses can go on the orange. Sorry, that was terrible. Oh, orange. Take risks. Look how beautiful the cloud is. I don't know, I've got a thing about clouds, especially pink clouds. Or like orangey, sort of reddy. You know, like this sunset or sunrise kind of look of a cloud. I think they're amazing. Especially when I used to go hiking. So when I used to go hiking, I would often leave very, very early. And so I'd get to see the sunrise. And then I'd normally come back quite late. So I'd get to see the sunset. And it was normally over either the beach or countryside, and it was just glorious. I used to just take a rest a minute and just soak it all in. It's just, nature is absolutely fantastic. I just love it. It is my calming, peaceful space, which I don't have right now. So we've got a butterfly here. And we have beautiful flowers, and some more beautiful flowers in a bottle. Oh, and an ice lolly. And then we have, when nothing is sure, everything is possible. Do what you love. And love what you do. Found objects. Not all who wander are lost. I never was. I am a little now that I can't wander, but we can't have it all, can we? Collector of curiosities. And then it's got this really pretty like border material. Okay, and then we have some alphabet and number stickers in yellow, like a mustardy sort of yellow. More like a lemon yellow, actually, I'd say. It's coming up a little mustard brownish on my film, but in real life it's more like a lemony sort of yellow. Okay, and the papers, which is my favourite part. So we have this beautiful one, and I love the grid and then the mixture of those really beautiful bright colours on that grid paper. It's fantastic. That would make a lovely, like, oh, and on the back we have stars and it looks like a sea or a night sky. That's gorgeous. So that would make really, like, I think, oh, I feel like I've gone deaf. Like that would make a really lovely sort of folder book. Yeah. These pretty flowers. And on the back you've got really lovely bright yellow. I don't know what's wrong with my camera. If anyone is good with phones and cameras, but I find that yellows tend to come up a little brownish and pinks come out a little orangey. It's not showing their real colours, and I don't know what to click to change that. So this is really beautiful. I love that. Like a cross between flowers and fireworks. And then this pattern on the back. Oh, I really like this one. Anything to do with nature is good with me, though, to be fair. And then we've got some nice quality white card and some nice quality yellow card. That is a beautiful bright yellow, by the way, believe me. And this beautiful green card, which is a beautiful bright green. And again, it's coming up quite dull. And then this beautiful blue. Like a teal sort of colour, that is, in real life. Okay, so that is what you get. And as I've mentioned before, what I really like about this subscription pack is that you get just sort of like a collection of themed papers, but different sort of papers, and one of each. So it means that you haven't got this pad of papers that you bought because you liked one of them but didn't like any of the others, and then it's just sat there. So, and you get all those cool little embellishments as well. But yeah, I really like it. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, anyway, that's it for now. And I'm going to go and make tea and have a proper break. Oh. And then I'm going to get on with Evie's room. Okie dokie. Bye.